Helpful tips for a wonderful demo. A demo class is a requirement for Utalk teaching position application. To produce an excellent demo, follow these tips. Tip number 1. Pronounce words correctly. There are several aspects of English that you must be proficient in. One of them is pronunciation. It may be the most noticeable aspect of the language, so you must show consistency in correct pronunciation. Along with it is accent. It is best to be neutral in this area. Here are some things to remember when it comes to pronunciation. Make sure that you pronounce th correctly. The voiced th, as in the word the, not duh. The voiceless th, as in the word think, not tink. Apply rules on aspiration with voiceless stops. Voiceless stops are the sounds k, p, and t. There are also rules that do not allow the aspiration of voiceless stops. Voiceless stops are unaspirated when they occur after the S sound, or s. The consonant clusters SK, SB, and ST occur in the following words. Although the vowels that follow them are stressed, they are not aspirated. Let's read. Sky, not sky. Sky. Sport, not sport. Sport. Star, not star. Star. Again. Sky. Sport. Star. To some people, unaspirated voiceless stops may sound like soft voiced stops. For example, instead of hearing sky, you may hear sky. Smell instead of spell. Star instead of star. You are lucky if you hear them this way because you can easily distinguish what's aspirated and what's not. Be very careful, though, not to exaggerate their pronunciation, as there are no English words that begin with SB, SD, and SG. It is fine to replace the voiceless stops with voiced stops as long as you do it the subtle way. Sky. Spell. Star. Tip number 2. Maintain positive energy throughout the demo class. Speak with perkiness and a well-modulated voice. Never show any hint of negative attitude like boredom, timidity, and annoyance. Tip number 3. Stick to the lesson guide. Make sure you go over the demo material and practice before your actual demo. Follow instructions and apply what is required. Never try to prolong or shorten the demo in any way. Tip number 4. Be in a quiet room. Before the demo, make sure your equipment is properly set and your room is soundproofed to avoid noise issues like static noise and dogs barking. Tip number 5. Have fun teaching. Imagine it's an actual class, like you're talking to a 6-year-old student who's so willing to learn English.